At present, all the money the Zulu king received from the government fuels inequality between the king and his subjects. Inequality is such an abominable term, and I believe that policymakers should transfer their norms into actions of reforming the funding models that currently only benefit the king in the direction that forces the king to share his monetary privileges with the people. Those funds should be vested in the interests of the entire citizenry of Nongoma and are chronically needed in building capable state bureaucracy and investing in the region's educational expansion. To urbanize Nongoma, we need to designate a region as an open village. This is just my suggestion, so that we can develop our ability to attract foreign investment, either from other domestic parts of the country or from abroad. That means the government should grow outside of the web of government regulation. That means autonomy for Nongoma, which is where we'll set our own regulation that we think serve the best interest of the Nongoma citizenry. Among such regulations are bolstering property rights, aggressively investing in education, supporting investment in technology and skills. China did it, and their rural economy took off. And Nongoma is also a rural economy. If you disagree and you want to keep Nongoma rural, then you are against human development. China would not have been able to lift almost 1 billion people out of poverty if they kept many of today's China's best cities rural when Deng Xiaoping took the leadership baton from Mao Zedong. We also want to wake up one day and see new highways, business centers, and skyscrapers mushrooming in our Nongoma village. The infusion of millions of rands into the flamboyant lifestyle of the Zulu monarchy does not trickle down to the poorest of the poor in Nongoma. We see little to no benefit from it. To the governments that do, I want to pose a morally honest question to you. Will it not be economically and socially responsible and meaningful that those funds are used to build infrastructure and other public services that are essential for the people, for the development of the people instead?